What are you eating, kitty? What is it? Green beans?
Yeah.
You like them? Are they yummy? Yummy. What about your carrot? Do you like to eat your carrot? Good girl. You eat so healthy. Say, what's up, Doc? Tell Mommy, what's up, Doc? What is that? Uh-oh, you dropped it. Eat your green beans then. It's okay. I'll get you another one. Eat your green beans. What? You want another carrot? Okay. Say bye.